we're trying to find a wave with not so many people out. It's proven to be slightly challenging. So I actually lived here about 10 years ago. Spent about 4 or 5 months living here in Byron, and the town has definitely changed, but whether it's changed in a good way or bad way, I'm not entirely convinced. But it's been super rad getting some waves and just hanging out in general. That looks pretty nice. Plenty of good food around. Yeah. It's almost just like a rainforest everywhere, and it just feels right. Feels nice. The only thing that doesn't feel nice is the crowd at the pass. Friend's arrived, and he's got the 20 in the car, so I'm gonna grab that and head out. So there, it's a big 20. doing the walk. There's plenty of walking, but my legs are burnt. I had some waves today that just, by the end of it, felt like I'd done about 500 squats. But still, you got to fill up your days, and if you're filling up your days with movement, you're lucky and you're healthy. Oh, how beautiful is this?
We'll get you out there.
Rushing me. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this, little secret beaches. So this is the most easterly part of Australia. No, I reckon this is further. Look, we're way further. Yeah, so it's official. We found it, and there's a sneaky little point break right there. Good for the logs, good for the twinnies. What a stunning way to finish off the Byron trip. So we've just been hanging down the beach and I'm filming a 360 time lapse, and I thought it was a bit of a dud sunset, but look at all the colours. So we could be on here. We could have a good little number. I think overall this trip has really made me a lot more excited to embrace the coming months and next year, as we sort of move out of this weird time that we've found ourselves in, with, I guess, more governmental control over our lives than we'd typically enjoy. I think breaking away and going on adventures is really one of the best ways to take back that freedom that we should all really have access to. In addition to that, I'm looking forward to getting into longboarding. I put in a request from my new board sponsor, who I'll have more info on soon in coming videos, for a longboard. So I'm really pumped to get that happening and move up this way, hopefully soon. So yeah, I'm stoked, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, let me know what else you want to see, and join me on Instagram as well at Kale's Broccoli for any of the products and the stuff that I've used in today's clip. Check out the description below. You. Look how far I went! I feel all the way out there.